Meaning of dwindle.
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 Dwindle. Dwindle means to gradually decrease in size, amount, or strength. It implies a slow dwindling away, often to the point of disappearing altogether. The result of dwindling is a reduction in whatever is being referred to, which can lead to negative consequences. For example, dwindling resources or dwindling support can lead to a lose-lose situation for everyone involved. Dwindling can also refer to a lessening of interest or passion, such as when a relationship or friendship slowly dwindles away. Overall, dwindling suggests a slow and gradual decline towards something less than what it once was.